Live life golden, yeah, we're golden, baby girl, we're golden. They're about to see us shine, cause we're golden.
What's going on, guys? It's Aaron Gets Fit, and today I'm going to show you how to make spicy sriracha chicken. So first off, you're going to need crushed red pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, black pepper, cayenne pepper, and sriracha. And I went ahead and mixed it all in a bowl. So I'll see you guys after I cut the chicken up. Okay, guys, I went ahead and cut up the chicken. I did add 1 tablespoon of olive oil in it because it tastes better with it, in my opinion. So here's all the mixed ingredients. You're just going to sprinkle it in there. And then I like spicy, like a lot, so I'm gonna add like a good amount of sriracha. And then I'm gonna mix this up, and I'll see you guys in a second. Okay, so I went ahead and mixed the chicken. I did spray with no stick spray right here, and it should be warm enough now. So I'm going to add the chicken. And I'll see you guys when it's done cooking. Okay, guys, so my chicken is done. Take a look. Look at that. The smell of this is unbelievable. So I'm gonna go and weigh it, make sure I get my macros right, which I'll link below what my macros are. That down. So it is 11.3 ounces, and I'll see you guys in a second. So this is the finished product, and I did add sriracha to my rice. I always do that, and this meal will definitely clear your sinuses, I'll tell you that. So until next time, I will see you guys later. Enjoy.